Hi, it's Loco.
And I'm Max. Welcome back to Learn with Loco. Have you ever noticed how people get nervous just by hearing the question, "So, what do you do for a living?"
Oh, definitely. It's like a trap, right? You want to sound professional, but suddenly you forget every English word you ever learned.
Exactly. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll help you describe your job without sounding like a robot.
And no more I do the works or I am working at a company. Please, let's clean that up.
Let's start with the basics. Many learners say, "I work at," followed by the company name. That's perfectly fine, but what if you want to be specific about your role?
Right. So, if I'm a graphic designer, should I just say I am a designer?
That works, but it's more professional to use "I work as a," or "I hold the position of."
I work as a, because it's simple. For example, I work as a project manager at a tech firm.
See, that sounds much more confident than just saying "I manage projects."
True, but don't say, I work as the manager of the projects. That sounds like you're describing a very specific, weird task.
Good point. Keep it short. I work as a job title.
What about the things we actually do all day? I hear a lot of people say, I am responsible to, which is a tiny bit off.
Yes, that's a common trap. It should be "I am responsible for," followed by the ing form of the verb.
Oh, like, I am responsible for managing the team?
Exactly. That sounds very professional. You could also say, "My main duty is to handle client inquiries."
That's a great one. Or, if you want to sound a bit more casual but still sharp, you could say, my job involves overseeing the budget.
Using "involves" is fantastic because it shows you have a broad scope of work.
Can I ask about a pet peeve? I hate when people say I have a job of.
That's definitely awkward. It's better to say "my role is to," or just "I am in charge of."
And please avoid saying I am doing the works at the office. That makes you sound like you're building a house.
Right? Just use "I work in industry" if you don't want to be too specific. Like, "I work in finance."
Or, I work in the healthcare sector. It sounds very professional and clean.
Another big mistake is mixing up employer and employee. You are the employee. The company is the employer.
Oh, that's a classic. I've heard people say my employee is big when they meant their company.
Unless they own a giant human, that's probably not what they meant.
So, let's wrap this up. We have I work as a title. I am responsible for verb ing, and my role involves verb I.
And remember to use "I work in sector" when you want to sound broader.
Should we give the viewers a challenge for the comments?
Definitely. Tell us in the comments. What do you do for a living using one of these new phrases?
Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect, even if you are talking about your boring office job.
Keep it professional, keep it simple, and you'll sound like a pro in no time. See you next time. All right, that wraps up today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.